Welcome to Hyspeco Fluid Power Solutions. For over 50 years, we have been empowering industry as your complete fluid power engineering and distribution partner. We are built for scale and engineered for precision, with over 50 years in fluid power distribution. We have 9 strategic locations, 174 trained professionals, 8 engineers for custom solutions, and over 400,000 stocked parts. We are employee-owned and customer-driven. Our employee owners are personally invested in the success of your operations and maximizing machine uptime, from procurement to on-site engineering. Hyspeco offers the Parker Hannifin advantage as a best-in-class tri-technology distributor. This includes a full-line hydraulic technology center, a Tier 1 pneumatic technology center, and fluid connector technology specialists. This provides unrestricted access to the largest fluid power manufacturer, backed by local expertise. Global Core is the ISO 18752 solution, 5 hoses, 2 fittings, 1 solution. It is the world's first high-performance cohesive hose and fitting system, specified by constant working pressure, and it is available through our worldwide network of distributors. Our fluid power arsenal includes a wide range of components. This includes directional, proportional, servo, cartridge, and mobile valves, as well as various pumps and motors. We also provide cylinders and actuators for heavy-duty load handling. Going beyond the part, Hyspeco provides a full-service difference. This includes over 400,000 stocked local parts, in-house fluid power engineers, custom design, in-house fabrication, assembly, pre-shipment testing, on-site consulting, repair, calibration, and training. Our in-house engineering and system design is led by 8 dedicated fluid power engineers. We handle everything from foundational single manually actuated control valves to complex proportional and servo multi-axis control loops. We are also capable of designing systems for diverse fluid requirements. We offer custom fabrication and rigorous testing for custom hydraulic power units, which are easy to order and configure. Our process includes in-house assembly, pre-shipment calibration for precise functionality, and reduced startup time for plug-and-play readiness. We provide total lifecycle support for maximum machine uptime. This includes vendor-managed inventory, on-site consulting, service and repair, and specialized training. Industry endorsements speak to our value. Clients value our local support, knowledge, and our ability to troubleshoot and maintain equipment. They also appreciate our commitment to going beyond the call of duty for system startups. Let us help you get your project back on track. Partner with the region's premier fluid power supplier. You can call us, email us, or visit our website to learn more.
Hyspeco, we strive to enrich and empower employee owners by utilizing our core competencies to provide customer solutions.